welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is salaries and wages payable. So let's go here. When we are talking about payroll, we have payroll costs for employees and employers. So the employee costs, federal and state income taxes, employee portion of Social Security or any other public fund for retirement, employee contributes for health, dental, disability, life insurance, and union if they have to. Employee investment in retirement or savings plan if we are talking about supplementary retirement plan. What about employer costs? Federal and state unemployed taxes. There are some countries that have it, there are some countries that don't. Employer matching portion of Social Security. This almost all of our countries they have it. Employer contribution for health, dental, disability, and life insurance. So usually, for instance, a life insurance, I pay part of it and my employer pays part of it. And employer contribution to retirement or savings plan, the same. And how does it work? Let's go to our Excel file. And here, guys, if you are a regular here, you already know that. If you're not, I want to let you know that all our Excel files, they are free. And the link to download it is in our video description. And by the way, like this video if you want. And subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. Okay, and here, it is based on US law. Check your local law if you are not from the US to check this percentage or to check how does it work. But this is the most common procedure for payroll. So accounting, Skyping Accounting Corporation, my fake company, has a total payroll for the month of January of $120,000 for its 25 employees. Details are provided below. So payroll 120, income tax withheld. So it is the income tax that the employee pays. Contribution to union paid by employee. Health insurance premium paid by employer. Contribution to retirement plan paid by employer. And social security rate, employer and employee 7.65 each. So what do we have here? What is paid by employee? By employee is income tax, contribution to union, and social security. This is paid by the employee. So what do we have? The salaries and wages expenses is the gross number. It is not the net number. So the gross number is 120. However, the employees, they will not receive this 120 because they need to pay income tax, contribution to union, and social security rates. So, okay, income tax payable, 28. Why income tax payable? Because the employee pays to their employer. That is why we are deducting here. And the employer pays to the state. So that is why we are talking about income tax payable here. Accounts payable for our union, the same. All of these, they are the same. The employee pays to the employer and the employer pays to the third party. And social security, 120 times 7.65, 9,180. And how much the net salary that the employees will receive is the number to balance. So what is the number to balance? The sum of our debits less the sum of our credits. It is 79,820. This is how much the employees will receive. However, they have benefits. So, what kind of benefits they have? They have these two benefits here. That are the here the yellow ones. to match our yellows. And this is the green one. And here, we don't know how much it is yet, but accounts payable retirement plan 11. Here, the company is not paying right to the employee. The company is paying to the third party, but the employee has its benefits. And accounts payable health insurance or health insurance payable or retirement plan payable, the name that fits the better for your accounting. And salaries and wages expenses is the number to balance. So sum of the credits less some of the debits. We don't have debits here. So $17,000. So the total of salaries and wages expenses is 120 plus 17. So it's 137. And the employer payroll taxes, the security taxes payable. So payroll tax expense, that is a single journal entry, 120 times 7.65, and it is the social security tax payable. So how much the company will pay to social security? 9,180 plus 9,180. So it is the security tax payable here. Okay, guys, so this is how usually we account payroll. Okay, and for you students, the most common mistake is to not consider the social security rate for employee and employer, is to consider only for one. Okay, unless your country allows it, but usually social security, part of it's paid by employee, part of it's paid by employer. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.